Court has now agreed to reconsider the PMLA judgment. Supreme Court agrees to reconsider the PMLA judgment, says notice be issued, limited to 2 issues pointed out by the Chief Justice of India. Supreme Court to issue a notice to the centre on the powers of the Enforcement Directorate. The Supreme Court says, let the centre respond on money laundering law. Supreme Court further saying that we want to stop black money, relook into the case report and presumed innocence. More or less, there was a lot of talk about the ED's powers. Under the PMLA Act, the ED was given enough powers to arrest and attach properties of those they believe or they felt had indulged in money laundering. So this Money Laundering Act, under that, the ED had indispensable powers to arrest anyone that they felt was corrupt or used corrupt practices to launder money. Let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us live on that. Anisha, after much opposition on the ED powers, Supreme Court now agrees to reconsider the PMLA judgment. Tell us more.
Well, the Supreme Court has now issued notice on the review petition filed by Karti Chidambaram to review its judgment that was passed on the 27th of July. Now, remember, Karti Chidambaram's review petition had raised several grounds of challenge to that judgment, including the powers of the ED, the power of questioning, the fact that the court had said that ED is not a police within the CRPC and other matters. The Supreme Court for now, however, has said that they would be limiting the review to two prima facie issues. First, that the factor that the ECIR copy, the copy of the complaint or the FIR that is normally given in other IPC offences, in an ED, in a PMLA offence, the ED does not share the ECIR copy with the accused. Whether or not that provision is correct or not, the court is agreeable to hear that. Second is the issue of the reversal of presumption of innocence. That means that if you are accused in the ED, by the ED in a PMLA case, then it is up to you to prove that you are not in fact guilty. It is not that the prosecution has to prove you guilty first before you can get any relief. So that second issue could also impact the strict bail conditions, etc. But for now, the court has said that we are limiting the review to these 2 issues of reversal of presumption of innocence and whether the ECIR can be denied to an accused in a case like this. The senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who was appearing for the petitioner, that is Karti Chidambaram, had said that there are several other issues that need to be considered by the Supreme Court. But for now, the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, has said that prima facie, we want to limit it to these 2 issues and let the next Chief Justice list the matter.